I will give you 3 seconds to think about it.
3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to Chinese with Xiaolu. Since I have started a series of Chinese analysis, I already got so many requests asking me to analyze his Chinese.
Fight.
杰里德 is a Canadian. He has lived in China for a short period when he was little, and he back to China I think around 2015.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
The video I chose today is a clip of white guy only speak Chinese with mom for 24 hours. I'm going to analyze 杰里德's grammar, pronunciation, and intonation. And guys, you know, I have to be strict.
Please don't hate me.
And remember,
Fight.
let's see what we can learn from 杰里德。
Hello， 大家好，我是杰里德。今天我妈叫我跟她去美国，去哪个快递？好像是，应该是去哪个快递对吧？然后我妈以前也在中国待过了一段时间，所以我想今天看她中文到底怎么样，她能不能跟我一天只讲中文？所以呢，我们现在开始吧。
He's good. There's just one sentence I want to repeat here.
所以我想今天看她中文到底怎么样，她能不能跟我一天只讲中文？
Okay, he said, 所以我想今天看他中文到底怎么样。This is a correct sentence, but if you want to sound more casual, actually you can double the word 看. Then the sentence become 所以我想今天看看他中文到底怎么样。所以我想今天看看他中文到底怎么样。In spoken Chinese, we like to repeat certain words just to make the whole sentence sound more vivid and casual, and 看看 is one of the most common used one. This is 看看看 This is 看看看看看看 I think you get what I mean. Let's keep going.
我们要去哪里？
去美国。
你的普通话怎么样？
不好。
不好是吧？
啊。
He said 不好是吧 He is using 是吧 to confirm the answer with his mom, and it's like right? In English. If you've been learning Chinese for a while, you probably already noticed native speakers like to use 吧 a lot. There are 2 main uses of this character. The first use of using 吧 is to soften the tone and to make the sentence sound less direct. Like 走吧走吧一起吧一起吧休息一下吧休息一下吧休息一下吧便宜一点吧便宜一点吧便宜一点吧 Make it cheaper, please. The second usage of 吧 is to ask for agreement or confirmation. You have to work overtime today, right? 你今天要加班是吧你今天要加班是吧你今天要加班是吧You know he's going to work overtime today, but you just want to confirm with it. You might want to know what is the difference between 是吧 and 是吗是吧 It sounds less formal than 是吗 When you put a 吗 at the end of a sentence, you are forming a real question and you don't know the answer. However, 是吧 as I said, you might already know the answer, but you just want to have a double check. And I feel 杰里德 is using it as more of his style of how he talks, because he used it many times in the foreign conversations. Let's just keep listening.
我们今天为什么要去美国？
我有
东西是吧？包裹。
对。
我们以前在中国的时候，我小的时候，你的中文更好吗？
我的吗？
对，以前好还是现在好？
He's really sweet. I think he's adapting his Chinese to a level his mom understood, so he uses more easily understood expressions to communicate with her. Let's keep listening.
可能以前。
OK， 他中文真的很好，
现在我没有
确实不错，真的不错。
环境，对，现在没有环境，所以
还蛮 impressive。
所以你要来中国，你要来中国找我好吗？
我去菜地方，买菜的地方。
哦，买菜哦 ，OK。
然后我说，
在中国的时候是吧？
在 这里，
在加拿大，因为这里有华人是吧？
在我的工作，我有同事，他
同事，
对we talk together。
你的同事喜欢跟你讲中文是吧？那不错，那你还是有一点环境。所以我妈其实她每次如果有机会的话，喜欢念中文，所以我其实还是很佩服她。
Okay, let's just repeat here.
所以我妈其实她每次如果有机会的话，喜欢念中文，所以我其实还是很佩服她。
I have no issue to understanding him, but this sentence doesn't have a natural flow. Actually, this is a typical sentence we can use the fixed pattern 就 So the sentence is gonna be 所以我妈其实她每次一有机会的话就会练习中文。所以我妈其实她每次一有机会的话就会练习中文。就 is a really important fixed pattern. You should definitely take a note on it. There are two main uses of this pattern. First, when it used as whenever or every time. For example, 我一有问题就查谷歌。我一有问题就查谷歌。这两个人一见面就开始吵架。这两个人一见面就开始吵架。这两个人一见面就开始吵架。The second, when it used as once or as soon as, you just put the first event or action after "e" and the following action or event after 就。The sentence structure in Chinese is different from English. For example, 我一到家就打电话给你。我一到家就打电话给你。到家 is the first action. 打电话给你 is the second action. The order of the sentence is the same as the time order in the real action. However, in English, majority of the time, the sequence of the sentence is the second action, conjunction word, the first action. So make sure when you speak Chinese, you don't just roughly translate the English to Chinese. Okay, time for test. What would you say the following sentence in Chinese? She went away as soon as the class finished. I will give you 3 seconds to think about it.
3, 2, 1.
Leave your answer in the comments below now. Don't worry, I will put my answer at the end of my video. Okay, keep going.
那我们现在开到美国要多长时间？
大概1个小时。Up here, the scene is really
什么
beautiful.
什么？
里面。
前面。
前面，对不起，前面一个河和树是很漂亮。
前面的风景。
Scenery？
对。妈妈，你知道吗？我今天要跟你讲1天的中文，一整天。
明白。
只会这样跟你讲话。
明白。
可以吗？
练习吗？
对，因为你不是很想练中文吗？
Okay, he said, 你不是很想练中文吗？你不是很想练中文吗？不是，吗 It's one of the most common type of rhetorical question. It can be quite friendly, simply reminding the other person of a fact that they seem have to have forgotten. For example, you woke up really late on Saturday morning, but you totally forgot it was weekend. Then you rushly prepared yourself and say that to your roommate. Hey, I'm late for work. In that case, your roommate might remind you to say, 今天不是周六吗？今天不是周六吗？今天不是周六吗？ This is how 节里的 used in this sentence. They might have talked about this topic of practice Chinese before, so he trying to remind his mom, 你不是很想念中文吗？你不是很想练中文吗？你不是很想练中文吗？ But listen carefully of my following example I'm going to show you. Hey, when are we having dinner? 不是告诉你了吗？不是告诉你了吗？ Haven't you seen my bag? 不是在桌子上吗？ Maybe if I put an exclamation mark at the end, it will help you to understand this. When you see this sentence with emotion in it, it will make you sound really impatient and annoying. In this situation, 不是吗 is more similar to who told you to or who made you. If someone else was talking to you like that, that person might be in a bad mood or might not be a good time for talking. Keep listening.
因为你不是很想练中文吗？44时是时。
Naughty boy. Do you know this tongue twist? Let me try that. 4是4，10是10，14是14，40是40。Nailed it! If you want to practice your tongue, some tongue twisters could help. I know it sounds really hard, especially for beginners, but you don't have to rush into the speed, slowing down your speech and then generally speed it up. The most important part to use tongue twister to improve your tongue is actually to pronounce each character correctly. I will put some popular ones in the description box below. Let's just keep going.
为什么要去美国拿个快递呢？
Okay, let's just repeat.
为什么要去美国拿个快递呢？
Okay, he said, 为什么要去美国拿个快递呢？ I think every Chinese learner has been taught about this. If there's a long in Chinese, you have to put a measure word in front of it. But not in this case, after a question word, 为什么? This is just how we say in spoken Chinese. So the correct sentence is gonna be, 为什么要去美国拿快递呢？为什么要去美国拿快递呢？ So remember, in a question sentence with a 为什么, you don't need to add a measure word. Okay, let's just keep listening. There's one last point I want to mention.
当我们在美国的网站买了什么的话，可以租一个美国的地址把东西寄过去，这样就可以直接开车过来拿，邮费会比从美国直接寄到加拿大更便宜，速度也快一些。
所以我们去
Okay, the first sentence of this whole paragraph. Let's just listen again.
当我们在美国的网站买了什么的话
He said, 当我们在美国的网站买了什么的话 I think the more correct way to say this sentence should be 当我们在美国的网站买了什么的时候当我们在美国的网站买了什么的时候 Because 当的时候 is a fixed pattern 当 means at a point of time 的时候 means the time when something happened. This is a very useful sentence structure as well. 当你想用中文说 When I feel bored, I will watch movie 的时候 You can say 当我觉得无聊的时候我会看电影当我觉得无聊的时候我会看电影 I just give you two examples. 的话 is very common and important words as well. It normally used alone or in combination with other words to express if. Like 如果的话要是的话假如的话 But not with 当 is with 的时候当的时候如果你要学中文的话一定要看一下我的视频记得关注哟Okay, let's just stop from here. If you are interested in the whole video, I will put the link down below in the description box. Anyway, his Chinese is super good. He gives an overall impression that he's Chinese. Specifically, he seems like from southern part of China. Based on his talking speed, his expressions, and his subconscious mannerisms. Come to the school. For his grammar, I got the feeling his grasp of grammar isn't that great after I break the sentence down, but he does sound really fluent. That will definitely make people overlook his grammar mistakes, so I will give his grammar 4.4. For his pronunciation, he speaks really clearly and he didn't make any obvious pronunciation mistakes. Only few words he didn't say it properly. His pronunciation level, I think was a bit similar to Ma Sirui Chris. It's just Ma Sirui's accent is from northern part of China and the Jielide is definitely southern accent. So I will give his pronunciation 4.7. Last one, intonation. His reason and flow is amazing. I feel he got his Chinese immersive environment. That is a really good way to boost your Chinese too. So I will give his intonation a 5. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you learned something new from my video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments below whose Chinese I should analyze next. I'm Xiaolu. I'm thinking of analyzing Canada's Chinese. What do you think?